Hey yo, don't put the seat too back because it's gonna start twisting and you're gonna have to help me fix it. Oh, my bad. Is this fun? You think you good? Should I put it back up? Right now you chilling. Let's just see what's on the TV. You sitting at home watching TV and your life's passing you by. You keep talking about maybe I'll install the motor today. Maybe I'll install the motor tomorrow. No, do it right now. If you need some help, call a friend. They ought to help you. Why are you making it complicated? It's easy. Yeah, alright. Hey, you still got that joint you trying to roll up? Nope. Nah. Damn, I gotta do shit. It ain't complicated. It's easy. I'm out, boy. You ready? Hey, put your seatbelt on. We gone. Oi, I'm trying to get this car done by the new year, dude. I do not want to have it like this. The only thing I really need to do is put this front main seal on. The only problem I'm having is I don't have a power tool power enough to knock off that crank bolt. So we're on the move today. 52's over there. And I'm gonna load her up into the Prius, take to my buddy shop. Shout out to Alex, man. Hopefully he can help me. I haven't even asked him. I know that man's busy. But Alex, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, I wonder how this is gonna play out. That has to go in the hatch. Let's just start doing stuff and see how it goes. Hey, watch me do all this work. And Alex is like, oh, I can't help you. That fits like a damn glove. Your boy got some stance on the Prius now. We're gonna head over to Alex's shop, see if he can help us. Alright, buddy, let's just go in there. I'm a little nervous. He's busy. Hi, Alex.
Hey, Vince.
I've been good, you?
Just busy as usual.
Yeah? I was spying you for a cool minute, then it got kind of weird, so I was just like, alright, let me say hi. What did you do to this M6?
Got another hydraulic unit for the SMG. I'm swapping out the diff right now because the diff is completely shot. And I got a clutch and a few other sensors, but it's costing the owner a pretty penny to get the car back up and running, but he said do it all, so that's what I'm doing.
That's what I'm talking about, man. You fix these fucking cars like if they're owed BMWs.
I know. Fucking gotta give them the little love that they deserve. No one wants to give it to them, you know, so that's what I'm here for.
Is it kind of like the same thing, like an owed BMW, but just like more maintenance?
Yeah. I mean, these things are old now, so it makes it, I mean, I think the thing that people really make a mistake is they buy them for like 10 grand. But the maintenance is still of $100,000 car.
Oh,
so,
fuck.
You know, you put hand in hand those two together, you know, people start crying when I start giving them the estimate.
So like I came to visit you like always, you know, but it's something I have to show you. I kind of need help with like one thing.
All right, I gotta go see it. I brought the Prius, so that's gotta be. Holy fuck.
I can't replace my front crank seal because I just don't have enough power tool. So I figured if I bring the motor to you, chances would be higher that maybe you can zap that off with anything you have.
I probably can.
Yes.
Hold the Prius into the shop.
We got the air tool.
Jesus Christ. Man, this thing is like on there. I'll ask my neighbor if he's got a stronger gun.
Damn, we're going to the neighbors and everything. Fuck.
The whole block stopped for this.
The air one didn't work. The electric gun didn't work. I heard the M60, like Jesus bolt, crank bolt is a bitch to come off. I didn't think S52 was this much of a pain. But whatever. Ran to the neighbors, came back with a bigger Ugga Dugga. Say hello to my little friend. Success. I fucking love you, Alex.
You gotta love my neighbor. He's the one that had to
Brought out the big guns.
Sheesh.
Yeah, there was no way you're gonna take that out without some kind of high impact.
Dude, well, I gotta go thank the neighbor real quick.
training jack.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you 100%, man.
Hey man, he donated car.
Oh, shit. Dude, I appreciate all my friends, all the help. Goddamn, I love you guys, man. Dude, nice.
I think that's it.
Fuck yeah.
And then we'll verify with.
Send me my check to the mail. I'm not coming back here.
Oh, what?
So
Burning it to the ground.
you use that to make sure that the lip isn't folded over. So I kind of just go in and just kind of feel it. It's a little tough on this one, but I think it's not going to be a problem.
How much you think you've been spending on special tools in general?
5 figures. A lot of it's diag equipment, so picoscopes and stuff. Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah, you should be good with that.
Sweet, dude.
It was like what, not even 30 minutes?
No, like, but it's just, I was explaining to the camera how sometimes, like, I'm just scared to ask for help. And then, like, especially for you, since you have a shop now, I just feel like you always get, you know, people.
Yeah, but for the homies, you know, I'll always try to be there for you guys.
Sick, dude.
You know, and it saves you the freaking frustration of doing this at home.
That's true. Look at that. Now we're all good. Now the build continues because of friends like these. Good morning. Hey, dude, I was flying over here like 120 all the way over here for like I think 21 miles. But I didn't wake up early enough, so the car meet is no longer here anymore. That's the E92 M3 though. It was good driving the M5 though, so no complaints. Time to head back. I'm gonna take the coastline back home. I came to David's so I can borrow the clutch alignment tool, and he gave me some downpipes for my headers. So he recently drove the E39 and said that it feels great, so he wants me to drive it. I swear if my E30 rips like this, I'm gonna be mad. Did you hear me?
Yeah, dude, we could hear it like just straight to the red line, dude.
I'm over here trying to make a U-turn, and then the guys are laughing at me because like I can't. So I'm making a U-turn, and right when I get to it, I'm like, this shit's quick. It's peppy. It's like, fuck.
After the Vanos tune, dude, like I don't know how or why, but like you notice when you just floor it, it just goes straight to the red line.
Yeah, it's
dude.
like, it feels like you have like a 410 or something.
It has a 346. I can put it back in, dude. Don't worry about it.
I'm not no bitch. I can put it in.
All right. You're gonna have to come from the other side.
Yeah, fuck that. I just gotta post like I'm over here sliding the car with fucking pistons in there, oil baffle, fuel rings, whole motor block. All right, now probably go back and hopefully I want to get the motor in. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes. Sitting at home, watching TV, and your life's back. Why are you making it complicated? It's easy. all you guys out here watching, and nobody's helping. It took me like a whole hour to struggle and just to give up. It turns out that the reason why I didn't go in, the motor mount was flipped upside down like a moron. I had it flipped. This motor mount's like way off. So I put it the right way and installed it. This way was this hole was facing this way. That's why it wasn't working. And I was struggling for a whole damn hour to get it in. It's finally in, that side and this side. Now I still gotta do some clutch lines, power steering lines, coolant, radiator, but we're getting closer and closer. I just wanna thank you for watching it and not helping me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're getting closer and hopefully the car's done before the new year. If not, I mean, it is. We'll just talk like that. Yeah. Shout out to the motivational guy in the beginning. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna head out. Back to working on this car so I can get it done before the new year. 2021 is gonna be legit. Even if it's just like 2020, it's still gonna be better because it's 2021. Alright fam, much love. Thanks guys for watching. It's easy.